So here it is then, the one you've all been waiting for. This is the Brutus toy grade. I did say in the last video, but I'm not going to do anything else with this. But I had a little brushless motor sitting around, so how can you resist that? So I'll put the brushless in it. It's a 7,200 kilovolt brushless with a 35 amp matched ESC, and I've got that mated up to a 2S. I've already taken this out. This is after the run. You can see it's not too bad. Did have a little bit of an accident there, but other than that, a bit of a broken roof rack. That glued back on, it's not a problem. So it actually survived quite well. And also, still running. It survived. So I think what I'm going to do, I'll charge a 3S. We'll get a 3S in and we'll just see how long it lasts with a 3S. It ran quite well with 2S. I'm not going to keep you too long anyway, so let's have a look at the video. So I took this out earlier, found a nice little quiet industrial estate, nice little quiet road there. It's been raining nearly all day, so the road was quite slippery, and as you'll be able to see, it's lucky the road was slippery, because if I had traction I'd be rolling it even more. I mean, this thing rolls quite easy with this power now. But yeah, so it's pretty good. So off-road, it's a bit bouncy. It really needs suspension. I'm not going to bother trying to put suspension on this thing, but as you can see, the suspension lets it down. Bouncing around on them, just the tyres, doesn't do it any good really off-road. I mean, it's alright, but it just kept rolling over. So definitely suspension needed. So here's the speed run. So remember, originally out the box, this done 9 kilometers an hour. As you can see, it's pretty quick now. It's not very easy to control though. So them wheels and half wobble about a bit at the front. Steering's not all that good. I did struggle, but 39 kilometers an hour. So 30 kilometers an hour more than it does out of the box. I reckon I could get 40 plus out of it. It's just a little bit of a handful going along at that speed. You can see them front wheels going all over the place, and then trying to slow down is a different matter. Obviously rear wheels, rear wheel braking, it just spins it round, and I didn't want to roll it at nearly 40 kilometers an hour. It'd probably do even more damage than just that mirror coming off. But anyway, 39 kilometers an hour, massive improvement with that brushless setup in there. 39, rapid. Right, let's take it off. There we go. So that is the brushless new Bright Brutus. Bit of an animal. Shame it hasn't got suspension and decent steering, otherwise it'd be quite a capable truck. That's probably it for now. There may be a video coming up with a 3S in it doing a speed run. I really don't want to damage this shell anyway. I've knocked a mirror off, as you saw, and broken the just broken a bit on the roof rack. I mean, they'll glue, so that's fine. What I don't really want to do is completely trash it, because I want to keep this a decent shell. I might find another one to put on it and stick a 3S in and see how long it lasts. But anyway, cheers for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and show your support. Really need support now, especially with the changes coming up on YouTube, so I will really appreciate subscriptions, and it'll give me a little bit more motivation to get some more stuff up on the channel. Loads more to come, so yeah, keep an eye out. Anyway, thanks again. Cheers.